What's up guys, welcome back to the channel where I discuss accounting, men's fashion, and everything in between. If that sounds awesome to you, hit that subscribe button below and welcome to the family. So today, I thought I would make a video geared towards those future CPAs that are currently in college. I have noticed by the ton of messages, comments, and DMs that I've been getting from you guys, and by the way, thank you for those, that some of you guys are in college or just starting out in the accounting profession. Being a transfer student myself many moons ago, I was super confused when I got to college. I had no idea what to do in order to land a job at a big firm. While I was in college, I also wanted to know what I can do in order to make sure that the amount of money and time I spent into college was well worth the investment. So today, I thought I would go over the 5 things I think every accounting college student should do in order to make sure they are set up for success when it comes time to graduate. If that sounds awesome to you, let's hop into it. The first thing I think every accounting college student should do is build a great work ethic. Become the hardest working person you know. When people mention your name, they should be like, oh yeah, that guy Bryan, that guy works like an animal. Trust me when I tell you that the habits you build in college will follow you for the rest of your life. So read the book, study for the exam, prioritize things that matter, and start building yourself and your personal brand in a way that people respect and admire. This will also help you get straight A's in all of your classes, which is a must since you're a student. And just a total side note, I will not be mentioning grades in this list of 5 things because if you are not getting straight A's in all of your classes, you just aren't working hard enough. So get to work. The second thing I think every accounting college student should do is become a leader on campus and get involved. The easiest way to become a leader on campus is to get involved in all the local accounting clubs and business societies at your school. Become a leader in the organization and not just someone that goes to the meeting, signs their name, eats the free lunch that they offer, and goes home. Do your best to hold a leadership position or obtain a leadership position where people come to you for certain things. Being the leader of an organization while you're in college will show any future firm or employer that you have the ability to lead, influence, and build. Being a leader on campus will also help you build your professional network. I can tell you from personal experience that some of my best friends from college till the day I met in the accounting societies, and now being 4 or 5 years into our career, all hold pretty cool positions at different firms and organizations. Also guys, most of the accounting clubs have direct connection with the big firms and big employers in your area. And in my experience, the leaders of the organizations are usually the ones that get the firm offers, the cool jobs, just due to the sole fact that they have the most face time with the firms and the big employers. So make sure to get involved. The third thing I think every accounting college student should do is get a job or an internship. I think everyone in college should have a job. I don't care what your economic status is, whether you need the money or not, it is time for you to grow up, gain some responsibility, and show everyone that you can hold and maintain a job. By the time you graduate, having a job for a prolonged period of time will show any firm or employer that you were responsible, reliable, and hardworking. Now, when you do get into your junior, senior year, I highly recommend you guys start looking into internship opportunities because these usually, most of the time, lead to full-time employment opportunities, especially at big firms. My firm, for example, gets a good portion of our full-time hires from our intern class, so make sure you guys keep a lookout for those opportunities. The fourth thing I think you should do in college is become a Microsoft Excel wizard. No, like literally become like a Microsoft Excel like Harry Potter. Okay, that was probably a bad Harry Potter joke, but you guys get the idea. Become a master. I can honestly say that 90% of my day at work is spent on Excel. And I wish, oh God, if I can go back in time, I wish I would have known how crucial Excel would be to my career when I was in college. So while you're in college, please, I'm begging you guys, do whatever you have to do to get great at Excel. Buy Excel for Dummies, take a class on it, watch YouTube videos on it, do whatever you have to do to become the best at it. I promise you guys, if you guys get great with Excel by the time you graduate, you'll be light years ahead of everyone else. The fifth thing I think you should do while you're in college is master the basics of accounting. Do your absolute best to really understand and solidify your understanding of the fundamentals of accounting. Really understand the nature of debits on the left, credits on the right, and don't memorize things just for the exam, really try to learn it. I promise you guys, even in my current position in public accounting, really knowing the debits and the credits really helped me excel at my job. For example, when I'm in a meeting with a client and they tell me how their business is going and certain things and certain transactions that went on, I'm already in my head thinking about the journal entries and how they affect the financial statements. So if I didn't have a really solid fundamental understanding of the basics of accounting, I would have a really hard time being of any value to my clients on the spot. So do your absolute best to become a master of the accounting basics. Alright guys, there you have it. These are the 5 things I think every accounting college student should do to make sure that their time in college is well worth the investment. Also, total side note, but if you made it this far in the video, I plan to make videos all around the CPA exam, accounting, CPA fashion, and just things I wish I would have known when I started my career in public accounting, so make sure to subscribe. Also guys, I also filmed a little behind the scenes look at my life through a vlog, so if you guys would be interested in kind of following my own accounting journey, let me know in the comment section below so I can make sure I can start uploading those as well. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you found this video helpful in any way, please hit that like button below, and also guys, please make sure to share this video with all of your accounting friends if you think they can find some value in it. And also guys, make sure to add me on Instagram at Bryan_Carreto, where I post weekly men's fashion inspiration pictures where hopefully you can find some inspiration to put some dope outfits together. Alright guys, until next time, work hard, dress well. Peace.